Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear seat occupant alert in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Soul. I have in front of me here an EX Plus in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, when you have your vehicle running and you go to turn it off and open your driver's door, it's going to ping on there just to remind you to check your rear seat for any passengers or belongings. So essentially, if you happen to leave anything important back there. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start the car up again. And if you just happen to not need that specific feature, you don't need the reminder to check your rear seats before you leave the car, we're going to go through the instrument panel. We're going to use this sheet of paper button to go sideways through the menu, and we're going to use up and down to go up and down through the menu, and you push this silver button in for OK to select what's highlighted on the screen. So we're going to hit the sheet of paper button to go over to the gear. We're going to go down into convenience and press OK, and you'll see rear occupant alert is there. So if I go ahead and uncheck that, I'm going to go ahead and just turn off the car and then open the door, and now we will not get the reminder. But if that's a feature that you like and it might come in handy for whatever reason, then we just going to make sure that that feature is checkmarked on under convenience. And that way it will ping to remind you when you go to leave the car. And in this car, this is the passive system, so all it is a reminder. So if you don't want the reminder, turn it off. If you prefer the reminder, just make sure you have it checkmarked on. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.